Welcome to EyeNetra. Let's get you all set up. Before we can begin testing, the first thing we'll need to do is quickly create an account using the EyeNetra phone. To do this, we'll first need to connect the phone to Wi-Fi. Select Apps, select Settings, and select Wi-Fi. And then connect to your local network. Once connected, press the center home button to return to the home screen, and then select either the Netra or the Netrometer app. Here you will be asked for an email and a password. These will be your new EyeNetra login credentials. Enter in any valid email address as your username, and then create a password of your choosing. The password must have at least 8 characters and at least 1 number. When finished, press Sign Up. And that's it. Be sure to schedule your one-on-one training session with one of our specialists. Send us an email to training@eyenetra.com.